Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Yasir Aqil and I'm back after a long break. And for those of you who've been sort of subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. And for those of you who haven't, please do give me a like and a subscribe. And I promise that I will make sure that I deliver regular pieces of content to you that will serve you and will help you to go further and faster. And today I want to talk about success. Now, success is not a formula that anyone can come up with. However, it does have a certain number of ingredients that we are going to talk about today. Success is not achieved because of your circumstances. Success is achieved because of the right mindset. And what that means is that when you have the right mindset, you think in a certain way. And because you think a certain way, you feel a certain way, and then you act a certain way, and then only do you receive or you achieve the goals that you wanted to achieve. Now, how this works is that number one, we need to work on the belief system we have. That is the basic psychology that's going on inside your head. And that means that certain beliefs will serve you and certain beliefs will not serve you. The beliefs that are serving you are called empowering beliefs because they give you power. For example, I do believe that I can lift this remote up. However, for those of us who do not believe that they can lift something as small and as light as this AC remote, they will not be able to do it because they will not put in the effort. And how that works is, number one, when you think that you can't do it, then you don't put the action into it. And then when you don't put the action into it, this becomes a vicious cycle of a negative belief or a limiting belief. Now, what these do is that they hold you back from putting in the required effort and the required action. And it all starts with what you think and how you believe you can do things or achieve things, or whether or not you can. So I believe, hence I am. And it's absolutely true. Now, the second step that I'd like to talk about is to create a vision of a compelling future. Because if you don't have a goal and you can't see it and you can't hear it and you can't feel it inside you, then it's going to be really difficult to chase that goal. So now I want you to manifest, and I want you to think, I want you to see. Close your eyes, and with your eyes closed, I want you to see what your goal is. Notice the things around. I want you to hear the sounds that are incorporated in this vision. And I want you to feel how it feels to be in this picture. And I want you to see it through your own eyes, hear it through your own ears, and I want you to feel it inside you. And I want you to experience this and feel it with as much detail as you can. As much detail as you can, so that at the end of it all, you will have an experiential learning about what it means to you and what it feels to you to have achieved this goal. And that's the second step to achieving success. The third step is an extremely important step because this is taking massive action. Now, you can't just hope that you're going to sit around in bed all day and have these visions and manifestations and things are going to happen by themselves. However, when you do have these visions, they're going to enable and empower you to get out and get going. And that's what's important. Now, it's time not to take action, but to take massive action. And when you start taking massive action, maybe you won't get the result in the first attempt or the second attempt. However, you keep going and you keep taking uncomfortable massive action. And I promise you, just like everyone else who has tried this, it works like a charm. And now, on to the fourth step. The fourth step is to make sure that you surround yourself with the correct influences. And what this means is that you are the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with, and also all the input that goes into your ears and your eyes and what you feel, which means that if you're going to constantly bombard yourself with information that is based on anxiety or frustration or not being successful, then that is exactly at some point what you're going to start experiencing. And what this means is because you're constantly thinking about anxiety, you're constantly thinking about failure, you're constantly thinking and obsessing about how difficult it is to solve the problem that you wish to solve in order to achieve success, that you will just be focusing on the problem and not the solution. And that's not going to get you anywhere. So constantly make a conscious effort of surrounding yourself with the right influences, whether it be the people you interact with, whether it be the media that you consume, whether it be reading the things that you do. Make sure that you find the right resources for your input to be the kind that makes sure that your mindset is constantly catalyzed and serves you the way you need it to. And finally, make sure that you constantly celebrate your wins, and every little milestone and mile marker that you achieve needs to be a big celebration so that you're constantly driving and striving to do better and going further and faster. So here's to success. Go ahead, try these steps. I promise you they work, and I wish you all the best. Till next time, this is me signing off. Have a good day.